Hi everyone, welcome to Anas Academy. You need some information about camera for video and photography. Let's go to the video.
Blending and all-in-one zoom, 4K video recording, and versatile still shooting capabilities, the Lumix FZ300 from Panasonic is a multifaceted point-and-shoot optimized for the multimedia image maker. Featuring a 12.1 megapixels high-sensitivity MOS sensor and Venus Engine image processor, the FZ300 is capable of recording up to 60 fps with an electronic shutter, 12 fps with a mechanical shutter, or 30 fps using the unique 4K photo modes. Working in low light is benefited by a top sensitivity of ISO 6400 along with 5-axis hybrid OIS plus image stabilization to minimize camera shake during HD video recording. The 24x Leica DC Vario Elmerit lens covers a 25 to 600 mm equivalent focal length range and has a constant f2.8 maximum aperture for consistent performance from wide angle to super telephoto. For composing imagery, configuring shooting settings, and reviewing your photos and movies, a large 3.0 inches 1.04 m. Free angle touchscreen LCD is available, as well as a 1.44 meters OLED live view finder for eye-level monitoring. Able to handle nearly any image-related task, the FZ300 is a versatile camera well suited to advanced photo and movie recording applications. The body design features an ergonomic right-hand grip for added support when working with longer focal lengths, as well as dust and splash-proof construction to suit working in inclement conditions. Benefiting both stills and movies, Panasonic's DFD depth from defocus AF system helps to quicken focusing speeds while a Starlight AF feature maintains focusing accuracy in low light conditions. And benefiting both sharing and shooting control, Wi-Fi connectivity allows for wireless image sharing and remote camera control from smartphones and tablets.
This is so short information about this camera. Okay? So, bye bye.